Now we're going to look at the suspicious activity section in Carrier Assure and how you can interpret it. This is not meant to be an end-all be-all for the carrier, but rather a way for you to know which questions you can ask to determine if that carrier is right for you to use. It looks at things like current and historical matches across user-provided and FMCSA data, whether they have a virtual address, what type of factoring company they use, and things like that. Let's look at some examples. This first carrier, you can see suspicious activity is flagging for them. User-reported issues, a virtual address, and shared information. When you click into this section, you can see a street view of their address. I do believe this is under a bridge. You can also see that this address matches 31 other companies. You can click into that and see that a majority of these companies have lost their authority, and the ones that are active are also F carriers. It is a huge red flag that the address would match 31 other companies, so you can take that information and use it as you see fit. This user audit is where our users vote if they would use the carrier and if they are on their do not use list. So it says that there are user-related issues because they have voted that they would not use this carrier. On the next example, you can see that suspicious activity is flagging for them as well, and that they use a virtual address. Whenever you see that, you can easily click into this section to see a street view of the carrier's address. In this shiny building, the software is acknowledging that this is likely a virtual address. And you can also see that somebody has entered their factoring company. You just click View and see that they are using Crossroads. Now, on this last example, you can see that this carrier is flagging for the same 3 issues: virtual address, shared information, and user provided. Just like the others, you click in, you can see that they're using a bodega as their address, somebody has entered their factoring company, and this carrier has contact information matches. You just click on those matches and see that their contact for the FMCSA matches some other companies. You click into those and you can vet those carriers as well just by clicking on them. And that is the suspicious activity section. Research, know what questions to ask, and figure out if that carrier is right for you.